Two electric hypercars. One costs over $2 million and represents some of the most advanced EV engineering on the planet. The other comes from a brand most people didn't even associate with hypercars a few years ago, yet it can literally jump off the ground. Today, we're putting the BYD Yangwang U9 Xtreme head-to-head with the Rimac Nevera R, two of the most insane electric machines ever built. From design and technology to performance and price, we're breaking down exactly how these two hypercars compare. And by the end of this video, we'll decide which one truly dominates the electric hypercar world. The Rimac Nevera already changed the world when it arrived. Built by the Croatian company Rimac, it quickly became one of the fastest and most technologically advanced electric hypercars ever created. With nearly 2,000 horsepower and record-breaking acceleration, the Nevera proved that electric cars could outperform even the most extreme gasoline hypercars. But now there's a new challenger. The BYD Yangwang U9 Xtreme represents China's bold entry into the hypercar world. Powered by 4 electric motors and equipped with one of the most unusual suspension systems ever developed, the U9 isn't just about speed, it's about pushing engineering boundaries. So when you place these two machines side by side, you're not just comparing hypercars, you're comparing two completely different visions of the future of performance. Let's start with the design. The Rimac Nevera R looks exactly like what you'd expect from a multi-million-dollar hypercar. Its shape is sculpted for extreme aerodynamics, with aggressive air channels, a dramatic rear diffuser, and sharp lines that make the car look fast even when standing still. Everything about the Nevera's design has a purpose. Large air intakes feed cooling systems for the motors and batteries, while the aerodynamic profile helps keep the car stable at extreme speeds. The Yangwang U9 Xtreme takes a different visual approach. Instead of the ultra-sharp hypercar aggression of the Rimac, the U9 looks more futuristic and almost concept car-like. Its sleek LED lighting signature, smooth curves, and low stance make it feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the most fascinating design element isn't just what you see, it's what the car can do. Thanks to BYD's advanced D-Sus-X suspension system, the U9 can actually lift itself, dance, and even perform small jumps. That's something no other hypercar on the planet currently does. Both cars look stunning, but they represent very different philosophies. Rimac focuses on pure aerodynamic aggression, while BYD mixes performance with futuristic engineering creativity. Step inside the Rimac Nevera R, and you immediately realize this is not just a hypercar, it's a technological masterpiece. The interior combines high-end luxury materials with an extremely driver-focused cockpit. Carbon fiber, premium leather, and precision metal details surround you, creating an environment that feels both futuristic and handcrafted. 3 large digital displays provide all the information the driver needs, from performance data to navigation and vehicle systems. The Yangwang U9 Xtreme, meanwhile, embraces a more futuristic interior philosophy. The cabin is filled with large digital screens and modern materials, emphasizing technology and innovation. The driver interface focuses heavily on advanced vehicle control systems, allowing drivers to manage the car's performance settings and suspension capabilities. While the Rimac interior feels like a luxury hypercar built by a boutique manufacturer, the U9 interior feels more like a cutting-edge technology showcase. When it comes to technology, both of these cars sit at the absolute top of the electric vehicle world.
Rimac has built its reputation on developing some of the most advanced EV systems ever engineered. The Nevera's quad-motor system features incredibly precise torque vectoring, allowing the car to control power at each wheel independently thousands of times per second. This gives the Nevera extraordinary stability and control, even at extreme speeds. But the Yangwang U9 Xtreme introduces something completely different: its revolutionary D-Sus-X suspension system. This system uses advanced hydraulics and sensors to control each wheel independently, allowing the car to actively adjust its ride height, body movement, and stability in real time. It's this system that allows the U9 to perform its famous jumping demonstrations. While Rimac focuses on perfecting electric performance engineering, BYD is experimenting with new ways to redefine what a car can physically do.
Now we arrive at the most insane part of this comparison: performance. The BYD Yangwang U9 Xtreme delivers a mind-blowing 3,018 horsepower from 4 electric motors, one powering each wheel. This system allows precise torque vectoring and incredible acceleration potential. With this much power, the car enters territory that only a handful of vehicles in the world can even approach. But the Rimac Nevera R is no ordinary rival. It produces around 2,107 horsepower from its advanced quad-motor system and has already proven itself as one of the fastest electric hypercars ever built. The Nevera platform has broken multiple performance records and is known for its incredibly advanced traction and stability systems. So while the Yangwang wins on raw horsepower, Rimac still holds a massive advantage in experience and proven performance engineering. This is essentially a battle between extreme power and refined control. Now let's talk about one of the biggest differences between these two hypercars: the price. The Rimac Nevera R costs well over $2 million, placing it among the most expensive electric cars ever produced. It's an ultra-exclusive machine, built in extremely limited numbers for collectors and enthusiasts. The Yangwang U9 Xtreme, however, is an ultra-exclusive model, with prices reported to range from approximately $236,000 to $360,000 USD, depending on configuration and source. That's still incredibly expensive, but compared to the Rimac, it almost looks like a bargain. This massive price gap raises an interesting question. Do you really need to spend millions to experience electric hypercar performance? So which car wins this electric hypercar showdown? If we're talking about pure performance numbers and record-breaking engineering, the Rimac Nevera R still stands at the very top of the electric hypercar world. But the BYD Yangwang U9 Xtreme proves something equally impressive. It shows that groundbreaking EV technology doesn't have to cost millions. With its futuristic suspension system, bold engineering, and significantly lower price, the U9 represents a completely new direction for high-performance electric cars. Both machines are extraordinary in their own way. But now the real question is, which one would you choose? The multi-million-dollar Croatian hypercar or the futuristic Chinese Challenger? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more epic hypercar comparisons, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.